Begin in a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nostrils, and then exhale. As you breathe in, imagine that you're inhaling gratitude, peace, and calming energy. As you exhale, imagine that you're breathing out all of your stress, anxiety, and fear. Flutter your eyes open. Let's take another deep breath in and lift your arms, bringing your palms together overhead. Exhale and draw them down to heart center. We'll repeat this a few more times, letting the breath invite the movement. We're also taking a moment to sync our bodies up with our breath. This is how we move through yoga, connecting the breath with each movement. The next time you have your arms in the air, leave them separated over the shoulders. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, turn your body to the left and place your left hand behind your left buttocks. Bring your right hand onto your left knee. Breathe in as the crown of your head reaches up. And then when you exhale, twist from your waist, bringing your gaze to the back of the room. Allow your breath to guide you into this twist. Breathe and lift. Exhale, twist a little deeper. Now gently bring your gaze back to the front of the room. Your body should follow your eyes. Bring your hands back to rest on your knees and close your eyes for a moment. Allow your spine to realign itself from that twist. Open your eyes, fill up your lungs with air as you lift your arms. As you exhale, turn your torso to the right. Place your right hand behind your right buttocks and gently rest your left hand onto your right knee. Breathe in as the crown of the head lifts, and then exhale, bring your gaze to the back of the room as you twist in the waist. Breathe in to lengthen, breathe out to twist a little bit deeper. Okay, let's unwind, bringing our hands back to rest on the knees, and close your eyes again. Twists like the one we just did help improve your digestion, so you may cleanse your body of toxins. Slowly open your eyes. We'll connect our breath with our motion again by inhaling, lifting your arms up overhead. Bring your palms together. Exhale your prayer hands down to heart center. Bring your elbows together and interlace your fingers. Begin to slowly roll your wrists. Breathe and move organically, how it feels right in your body. Separate your hands and now flick your fingertips. Roll your wrists forward and now backward. Lean forward and plant your palms on the floor in front of you, moving into table position. Adjust so that your knees are under your hips, wrists under your shoulders. Inhale and lift your right leg up behind you with your knee bent. Sole of the foot will be parallel to the ceiling. Exhale and now round the spine as you step your right foot forward in between your hands. Settle into this lunge by lifting your right toes up off the mat. Spread them wide and then set them back down. This will build a nice foundation for balance as we move through our lunge flow. Breathe in and lift your right arm up to the sky, twisting at the waist. Gaze to the right, or turn your gaze all the way up so you're looking at the tips of your fingers on your right extended hand. lunge twist. Breathe here. If it's available, lift your left knee off the floor. Maintain your focus to maintain your balance and breathe. On your next exhale, return your right arm to the mat, this time placing it along the inside arch of your right foot. Now walk your hands to the left, moving into a wide-legged forward fold. Prasarita Padottanasana. Wide-legged forward fold. Lift your inner arches by drawing the inner ankles up. Firm the outer edges of your feet and big toes into the floor. Keep your back long and your chest open. You can leave your palms flat on the floor, place them on a block for extra support, or grab your ankles. Explore what feels right to you. Inhale to lengthen, and then as you exhale, fold deeper into the stretch. Let the head hang heavy as you're opening up your hamstrings and stretching your lower back. On your next inhale, begin to walk your hands to the left as you move into a left leg lunge. Place your hands on either side of your left foot. Reach your left arm up to the sky, twisting at the waist. Gaze to the left, or turn your gaze past your left fingers. Spread your toes wide for balance. Your legs are strong and engaged. On your next exhale, return your left arm to the mat. Let's move back into table pose. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, sit back onto your heels. We'll now slowly make our way to our backs. Move mindfully, take your time. Once you're flat on your back, close your eyes. Take a moment to observe your whole body, from head all the way down to toes. Let's take one last deep breath in, slowly inhaling, filling up your lungs, feeling your chest rise. And then exhale, let it all back out. Stay here in this space that you have created for as long as you'd like. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel.